you can say a few words about the collection, please.
I just want to say thank you. It's always a pleasure working with Lakme and always a pleasure working with Karina. She's amazing and happy to be here tonight.
Thank you. Karina, a few words from you, please.
Well, I mean, I think words fall short because obviously I'd like to just thank Lakme for always giving me an opportunity to, take my work from strength to strength. Whether it was the pregnancy or whether now after delivery, Lakme has always backed me. Purnima has always supported me. And, I think it's just wonderful. And of course, today even more special because I'm also the brand ambassador for And, which is Anita Dongre's line. And I think she's truly inspirational. Not just to me, but I think to most modern Indian women out there. And I'm just so happy to be sharing stage actually with 3 really powerful women. So here's to, I think, all 3 of us and to all the girls and women out there.
Well said. We'll now open the floor for questions.
Very good evening to all of you. And Anita, many congratulations. I think fitted finale, a grand finale tonight. This majestic set and collection.
Do I really need to add to tonight's beautiful show with words? Inspiration is Lakme's liquid gold, and the setting is all natural. I am delighted that Lakme has used a beautiful natural product like argan oil to enhance their lipsticks. I'm delighted that they've combined wellness with beauty. And yes, that's the inspiration and that's about the venue.
Just a request to all of you, since all the electronic cameras are upstairs, so you have to take your eyelids upstairs and see the camera. So, okay. Many congratulations, Mrs. Karina. Just tell us about this, the walking on the ramp and a heritage place and a collection from Anita Dongre.
Well, I just said that, of course, it's wonderful to be walking for Anita this evening. Even more special, of course, it's Bandra Fort, very close to home. It's so beautiful. Normally, हम लोग अलग-अलग venues पे करते हैं, but I think इस शाम बहुत ही बेहतरीन था because it's outdoor, it's more intimate. It's an amphitheater and जिस तरह का seating था, I think it was really, really beautiful. So I hope everybody enjoyed the show. And I think it was a great, grand finale.
Thank you. Next question.
Next question. Next question.
Do we have more questions?
Yeah, they just want pictures. Well, I think the only thing is that I don't believe in following anyone, any trends, anything. I think I believe in following one thing, which is the most important thing, which is my heart. I do exactly as I please and exactly as I want. And that's why I think I'm here today. Because when Purnima called me and asked me, and asked my managing team that will actually Karina walk, because it's only 45 days. And when I was asked, I said, but why should I not walk? Normal people don't walk. So what is the big deal? And I think it's a great opportunity. So I'm doing exactly what I want, and with the support from everyone, I think that's what's making it even more amazing.
I think Karina really deserves an applause for that.
One question here.
Karina, hi. You're looking very beautiful. एक message आप working mothers or mothers को देना चाहेंगी?
I think I'm lucky I have a loving and a supportive husband, because right now he's looking after him. So we share the responsibility. It's like he is my car and I'm his key. So key and car, जो screen पे था, अब real life में भी हो रहा है. And he's very supportive. So when he's working, I'm at home, and when I'm working, he's at home. And that's the way I think every man and woman should be, and husband should be to their woman.
Okay, thank you. Thanks, guys.
We have come from Germany. Very simple question. Firstly, you look very beautiful, but like amidst all this, so many people use how do you stay so calm? I'm getting overwhelmed just asking this. So how you stay so calm and composed?
And you are our inspiration, and we have all the way come from Germany
No,
to
no.
just see this show.
That's so sweet. Thank you so much. But I think that I don't know how it is, but I think I've always been calm, Purnima. Right? I think, yeah. And especially in crowds and especially, when I'm with people, there's something that just does it. I think the best way to be is calm and composed. I think because as a person, I'm just very relaxed.